live shows. This is a Blue Rodeo song from the 1990 album Casino, and it's called After the Rain. Oh, if I had my way, I would never go back. With my back to the wall, just let myself fall. Today's to the floor. But now and again I find you cross my mind. Well, if I would train, I would never go back. With my head in the sky and the world going by, I never know at time as I won't let it to you. Lord, I can't change the things that I do. One day when you discover just why I ran away from you, love. So ashamed, I got out your name after the rain. What would you want me to do? I'll throw away everything for you, and I wasted my dreams each day it seems.